GI Agrotechnologies Private Limited, a world leader in cashew processing machinery and turnkey project provider, Gayatri is a proud follower and implementer of Make in India initiative and getting ready to operate best-of-class and state-of-the-art cashew processing machinery. Boiler. Gayatri's steam boiler is fully automatic, produces and distributes steam with PLC control to ensure foolproof safety of operation. Utilizes cashew nutshell cake as a renewable energy source and embodies an innovative and sustainable approach